हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आई एम रेखा खोला। आज हम 8th क्लास की पॉलिटिकल साइंस का सेकंड चैप्टर देखेंगे, उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर। पहले कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद में वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर। ठीक है, लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। चूज द करेक्ट आंसर। विच आर्टिकल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डज एबॉलिश अनटचेबिलिटी? आर्टिकल 17। विच अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एडेड द वर्ड सेक्युलर इन द preamble? 42 amendment. Which of the following rights aim at making India a secular state? Right to freedom of religion. नेक्स्ट है हमारा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में देखेंगे इंडिया इज अ डैश स्टेट, सेक्युलर स्टेट, डैश अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एडेड द वर्ड सेक्युलर इन द प्रियम्बल, 42 अमेंडमेंट्स, डैश मीन्स इक्वल रेस्पेक्ट फॉर ऑल द रिलीजन, सेक्युलरिज्म मीन्स इक्वल रेस्पेक्ट। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन, डैश इज अ ऑफिशियल रिलीजन ऑफ पाकिस्तान, इस्लाम। नेक्स्ट वन है डैश इज द रिलीजन ऑफ द मेजोरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, हिंदू रिलीजन। मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन। डू यू थिंक दैट इंडिया a secular state? Yes, India is a secular state. Give two evidences which suggest that India is a secular state. The term secular has been incorporated in the preamble by 42th amendment of the constitution. There is no state religion in India. Which religion is the official religion of India? India has no official religion. Which religion is the religion of majority of India? Hindu religion. What do you mean by secular state? A secular state is one that protects all religions equally and does not uphold any religion as the state religion. What do you mean by secularism? Secularism means freedom of religion and non-interference policy of state in religious activity. Secularism rejects religion completely. What is the essence of secularism? The essence of secularism is that no one should be discriminated against on the grounds of their religious practice and beliefs. All forms of dominations related to religions should end. Discuss in class, can there be different views within the same religion? Yes, there can be different views within the same religion. For example, in Hindu religion, some people like to worship Lord Vishnu while some other prefer to worship Lord Shiva. Many Hindus worship माँ शेरावाली, माँ दुर्गा। ठीक है, राइट डाउन द मीनिंग ऑफ सेक्युलर मेंशन इन द preamble of Indian constitutions by inserting the word secular in the preamble of the constitution by 42 amendment. India is declared a secular state. Such a system is adopted in the constitution that India's made secular state without any doubt. Right to freedom of religion has been granted to all persons residing in India. All persons are equally entitled to freedom of conscience and the right to profess, practice and propagate religions. State has no religions of its own. Next one है why it is important to separate the religions from the state in democratic societies. First one है in order to protect the fundamental rights and to safeguard the minorities from the tyranny of majority, religions should be separated from the state. Second one, it is important to separate religions from the state to protect the freedoms of individuals to exist from their religions, embrace another religions or have the freedom to interpret religious teaching differently. The separation between religions and the state is important to prevent the domination of one religion over another. It is important to oppose the various types of dominations that can happen within a religion. Move to the next question. Mention any two fundamental rights which make India a secular state. Right, first one, right to freedom of religions have made India a secular state. Right to freedom of religions has been guaranteed to all persons residing in India. Second one, right to equality is guaranteed to all citizens and no discriminations can be made on the basis of religion. Move to the next question. What is the meaning of the word secular? According to the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, the meaning of the word secular is worldly or material, not religious or spiritual. Encyclopedia Britannica says secular means having no concern with religions or spiritual matters, anything which is distinct, opposed to or not connected with religion or religion things, temporal as opposed to spiritual. Right to definitions of secular state. According to Donald E. Smith, the secular state is a state which guarantees individual and corporate freedom of religion, deal with the individual as a citizen irrespective of his religions, nor does it seek either to promote or interfere with religion. Second one, according to Venkataraman, the state as such is neither religious nor anti-religious but wholly detached from religious dogmas and activities and is thus neutral in religion. What is secularism? The dictionary meaning of secularism is indifference of rejections or exclusions of religions and religious consideration. Secularism rejects religion completely. It rather supports anti-religious feelings. Secularism implies a way of life and conduct guided purely by materialistic considerations. It holds that materialism alone benefits mankind while religious feelings retarded. But in its modern meaning, secularism means freedom of religion and non-interference policy of state in religious activities. Move to the next question. What is the meaning of secularism in India? In India, secularism does not mean the indifference of the state towards religion. Rather, it means giving respect to all religions by the states. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has said in the Constituent Assembly, secularism does not mean that we shall not take into consideration the religious sentiment of the people. All that what a secular state means is that Parliament shall not be competent to impose any particular religions on the rest of the people. Next question. Mention two features of Indian secular state. First one, there is no state religion in India. No religions has been given special rights and no religions has been given any special help by the state. Second one, the Constitution grants religious freedoms to all peoples. Every individual can have faith in any religion. Next question, write the characteristics of a secular state. Following are the main characteristics of secular state. First one, no state religion. In a secular state, there is no state religions. No religions given special rights and status. Second one, all religions are equal. In a secular state that all religions are equal, nobody is discriminated on the basis of religion. Third one, freedom of religion. In a secular state, all citizens enjoy freedom of religion. Every individual can keep faith in any religion. Fourth one, state remains aloof from religion. State is aloof from religions. State has nothing doing with religious activities. The state is neither religious nor irreligious. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.